All right, time to find our car. Oh, there it is. That's it right there. We'll see what we got. Here's our little RAV4. All right, our RAV4 is loaded up and ready to roll. Let's head back to the shop and let the fun begin. Let's go. Little rundown, this side looks good for the most part, except the fender got smashed by the hood. Light looks good, fog light looks good, grill and emblem is okay. I need a new hood, new fender, new windshield. I taped it up because it was raining, but windshield is cracked. The door is gonna need some repairs, and the main hit was the passenger side apron. Now free up the space, remove everything, and then we'll put it on the frame machine, give it a little pull, and see where things go. First things first, let's take it all apart. All right, so everything's torn down and we get a clear picture of exactly what's needed. Just how it looked, we're gonna need this apron support that goes down to the frame. We're gonna need the reinforcement. There's this bottom reinforcement and the radiator support. Pretty much the upper portion and then this long leg. So I'm gonna start ordering parts. Kind of already know everything I need. We'll get the process started. So what we got to do now is I got to take out the condenser, radiator, and fan so we can do a nice pull. The radiator did not get busted, so I don't want to break it by pulling this too hard. I am going to give it a little tug to straighten it out just a bit, and then that way I can free up some space here and take him out. And then I'll put this top brace back on, and then we'll do a nice solid pull on the frame machine once we get that car down. But right now we're gonna use good old manpower. We're gonna attach this chain to the corner right here on this bolt and then do a pull. we got everything clamped down. We're almost ready to weld. Everything's looking good so far. Got this piece installed, upper radiator support, and then we got 2 new hinges. We got 2 new fenders, left and right side, and then I have a brand new hood. All I have to do is align the fenders, make sure all the gaps are perfect, and then we'll be ready to weld everything up. Check it out, everything is fitted on the car and the gaps are looking very good. Very happy with them. I think we're ready to weld it up. So we're back to work. Yesterday I got everything fitted and aligned. So right now I took the fenders off and we're ready to weld. We got our pro spot ready to go. So we're just gonna weld up everything we can using the spot welder, and everything else we're just gonna use our old conventional welder. Everything is welded up. I'm going to use a Scotch-Brite, scuff everything up, and then I'm going to mask everything up, and then we'll be ready to spray it. We'll shoot some primer, base coat, and then a clear coat. is pretty much assembled and we got everything test fitted. Now it's time to get it off the surgery table, the frame machine, and let's get it into paint department.